friends out there, welcome yet again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, appreciation and motivation. I take this opportunity to give a big heartfelt thanks to my parents, my siblings, my colleagues, my friends and my creative team, my support team who has always been by my side, helping me, guiding me, supporting me in every way possible. I also thank all my spirit guides, my power animals, all my allies, all the positive entities around me who are always with me in and bestowing their blessings upon me in every way possible and guiding me and helping me reach more and more people and share my gifts to you all. I also pray all those who are watching this video right now may please be blessed in this positivity, in this light, and have a beautiful life ahead. Amen. This week, this Valentine's week, is full of love, full of celebrations, and it is named upon Saint Valentine's. He started this tradition in order to spread love to each and every one who comes in your life, and to whomsoever lives you touch. You can spread love, spread harmony, spread this warmth, spread this beautiful cocoon of white light around them. But it has been diluted to that one someone special. That is also true, but anyone can be your Valentine. They can be your parents, your friends, your siblings, your son, your daughter, your neighbor, whomsoever you feel close to, whomsoever you feel loved to, can be your Valentine. So this reading is dedicated to everyone who's a part of your life, everyone whom you feel loved to and you should reach out to. This reading is dedicated to my Virgos. Hello all my beautiful Virgos. How are you all out there? And whom you all are celebrating the Valentine's this time, do write to me. I'll be happy to reach out to you. If on any other further topic you need any insights and guidance, do write to me. I'll try and incorporate the video next time onto it. All the new viewers who have just joined my video, do not forget to like and subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon as to whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified about it. Alright my Virgos, time for celebrations, beautiful time. You have been doing lots of hard work. You have been sowing seeds of happiness throughout. You have been doing lots of hard work. All your work will be recognized. All your efforts will result in triumphant success. People are going to recognize your success. This week you will be appreciated. You will be, you will get a lot of appraisals. You will be rewarded. You will be really identified and recognized for all the efforts you have made, not only for yourself but for everyone around you. You have been working so hard to provide the things that provide provide and fulfill the needs of love, the cherishing moments, the beautiful memories, the warm feeling, the warmth, everything you have been trying your best to provide all these things to all those people who are close to you, who are close to your heart. And this week your efforts will be recognized. This week you will need to be loved even more. You yourself are wanting that recognition. You yourself are expecting that people should reach out to you, and once in a while everyone expects little appreciation and motivation. So this is your expectation this week, and this will be met, my Virgos. You will be recognized, you will be rewarded. People are going to appreciate for all the efforts you have done. And the one thing that you really need to let out of your life is move out from your past. Stop living in the past. Cut the cords. Leave it. You have to move forward, my dear Virgos. If you are still going to live in the past, it is only going to create more and more stale energy, which is going to affect and hamper a lot of your present energy, because of which all the positivity, all the good wishes that are coming our way are going to be stopped. They cannot reach you. They cannot penetrate this hardcore of stale energy. You really need to cleanse yourself. You really need to move out of your past. You really need to be in the present. Enjoy the present. Enjoy the gift. Only and only then you will be able to love yourself. Only and only then you will be able to make all your establishments come true. This is the time when all the positive energy is trying to reach you. This can only reach you, and you can achieve all the materialistic gains, all whatever you are heart desires, all whatever you are thinking of doing and putting all your plans on the floors. You really need to let the light in. We say na, empty your cup. So you really need to empty your cup. You have to unlearn everything what you have been doing till now, and then only the positivity of the universe is going to reach you, and you need to give others another chance. Try trusting people. Try having faith in people. This something has happened with you in the past because of which you are not able to move around, but now you really need to trust again. Everyone is not the same. You really need to move forward, really need to start trusting people, have faith in yourself, have faith in those around you, and you are going to do that. You are going to you are going to learn that, and you are going to achieve whatever your heart desires. There are people around you. Please open your eyes. Please recognize these people who are around you. They love you. They want to reach out to you. Do not close yourself. Open your eyes. They want to reach out to you. They are standing there. Just open your arms and they are ready to give you a very, very beautiful hug. You really need to love yourself. Really need to open out. This week is going to be full of love, joy, warmth. Many old relatives, many old connections are going to come back to you. They are going to mend their bonds with you, or whatever has happened in the past, whatever pits have been there in the relationships, they are all trying to cover it up. They are all going to patch up the relations, and they are all wanting to go on a smoother relationship with you. So open up your heart, spread love. You are your self love, and spread this joy and warmth this week. This season teaches us love, warmth, and celebrations. Embrace this feeling, embrace this moral. Then here's wishing all my Virgos beautiful week ahead with lots of love, lots of warmth, and lots of celebrations and reunions. Thank you so much. God bless.